Today I am sharing with you my 5th video. It is actually a sponsored video. It's sponsored by Saal-Digital. They are a photographic printing company. They print photography books, portfolios, and a variety of other photographic products. So stay tuned and we'll get to it. Hello and welcome back. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe by hitting the little red button below and the bell button so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. My name is Philinda Roy. I'm a lifestyle and fashion lifestyle photographer. I have over 15 years of experience. And as I told you before, this video is sponsored by Saal-Digital. What I'll do is go through their software and show you how to put together a photo book, and then also I'll show you the finished product. So stay tuned and let's go. So here is the first screen you see right after you open the Saal-Digital software. You can see that they have photo books, photos, wall decor, cards, a bunch of other things. I chose photo book. You can also see that they have a lot of different choices. I basically chose the photo book professional line. And then they've got different sizes, 8x8, 8x12. Looks like they also have like a 12x12, but I just chose the professional line 8x12 book. You can see what the cover looks like, acrylic and leather. And then they've got some other choices. I think you can add a box to it or some type of sleeve, but I didn't do that. Now we'll go over to the next screen where you choose your pages. They've got 26, 52, but you don't have to choose that. I believe I chose 46, but to show you guys, I'm going to choose 48 here. Then here is the screen of the cover. And I'm gonna choose a photo. Let me see if I can find the one that I want. I'm actually gonna put a different one on there than I did for my actual portfolio that I got printed. So just give me a minute. Let's see, I think it's in this folder. Not sure, let me look around a little bit. Yep, it's this folder. I'm gonna scroll down and see if I can find the image. What I'll do is just drag it over. Oh, there it is. I will drag it over and then I'll resize it. I like this software because it'll tell you the image quality. There's a little green bar there. So there it's resized. You see the bar there, it says very good. So I'm looking for my logo because I do like to drop my logo in on the first page just so they know who they're looking at when I drop the portfolio off, or they won't forget my name when I'm showing my portfolio. I'll also try to show you the image quality. You can even do it on this logo, so let me drop it in. There it is there. It says good, but let me play with it a little bit. And I'll make it say bad. Not there. Oh, there it is. It says bad. So what I am going to do is just delete it, and then I'll do a good quality logo so it'll look good, and then I'll resize it just to show you how easy the software is. There we go. Move it a little bit more. Wait. There's the size. Okay, I'll go ahead and turn the page. I will go back to my image folder and drop a few images. I'm only going to do, I think, like 3 or 4 just so you can see the software. Pull that one in there, pull it down. You see the bar, it says it's green, it's good, good image. Pull that one there. Again, the image quality is still good. This software will also show you errors if the image quality is bad. I know I said that, but also if you mess up the bleed, and I'll show that to you when I do the horizontal image. I dropped it into the background and not where I wanted it, so I'm just going to delete that. It's fairly easy to undo things in this software. Now I placed it where I wanted it. I'll resize it. Now I'll turn the page and see if I can find the image that I want. There it is. Plop that in there. Pull it down. Resize it. And I don't want his face in the middle of the line, so I'm just going to scoot it over. And there's a little red bar. So I scooted it over too far. That's when it tells you you're going to mess up the bleed. So I'm just going to scoot this one over a little bit. There we go. I'm actually not going to save this file, so I will close out of it. It'll ask me if I want to save it. So there it is. It'll ask me, so I'll say no and discard it. Now I'll show you my portfolio. There it is here. And I'll open it. There's the cover. I'll click the page over, and then you'll actually see the logo there. Click another page, there's the other logo, and then there's an image, a couple more images, and I'll just close this out. So that's pretty much it for the software. Now I'll show you the printed piece that I received from them. So here it is. Well, here is the cardboard envelope. It's packed pretty snugly just to protect the book. I'm going to pull it out, and it comes in this sleeve here. Let me place that cardboard box down. This just keeps it safe and keeps it from getting scratched up. Here's the finished product. Look at the vibrant color. The cover is acrylic. You can see that right there. Let me open it and show you the inside. There's my logo like I showed you in the software. And then here's the first image. Well, actually, let me reposition it so you can see that I do have my contact information on the left-hand side in case I ship this off or leave it there for someone to look at to go pick up later on. They know how to contact me. And we'll show you probably every page in the book just so you can see what everything looks like. There's the next page. And the quality of the paper on the inside is fairly thick, so it's very durable. And then there's the one with the bleed on it. As you can notice, there's no white edges. As you can see, I'll put my contact information there, and also you can see the back page. So that's it for the printed portfolio. If you found the video informative, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments about the software, how I uploaded everything to Saal-Digital, please put that information in the comment section below and I'll get back to you right away. If you have not done so already, make sure you hit the red subscribe button below and the bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video. Right now, I am posting videos either every Friday or every other Friday. One last thanks to Saal-Digital. Thank you for my new photo book, and I hope to see you guys soon.